Hello, prospecting with Larry. Back down here at the creek using the Whites Bullet TRX. And so the water comes down here, and I've been looking the last few days, and I found all this stuff. Didn't find any gold, but what I was mainly doing is just going around to cracks like this, and then taking the detector and just, going around until I got a signal. And then I would dig up. Let me turn this on. And then I would dig up whatever. I dropped a piece of metal down there. That's why it's picking it up right now. But all this stuff, you can hear how this thing squeals when it finds this heavier metal. So what I decided to do is there's a crack in between these two pieces of bedrock right here. You can see that they're, and it's kind of thick. It's probably about a foot deep. So going on the top, I wasn't getting any signals. So I said, let me go back to the old days without just probing around. I'm just going to start prospecting again and cleaning out the material. So I got way down, and I started, so once I sucked all this out, filled back up with water, I took the bullet, and I was getting a signal here. So I figured out it's probably just another nail or piece of buckshot. So I grabbed the shop vac, and I figured, well, let me just suck everything out. I'll just, pan it out the vac later. Let me show you. There's actually a piece of gold here. Let's see if I keep from sucking it up. See that piece right there? I'm going to pick that up. Where's my screwdriver? This. Get this out. Look at that. See if I can get it to focus. There you have it. So the bullseye does work. We'll find gold. So now I've already sucked up some of the stuff out of this crack, so there could be more gold. I'll be checking the vac later. I'm going to finish cleaning all this out, and then I'll run it through the gold wheel, because I'm sure there's going to be some fine gold, and maybe even a piece bigger than this, or maybe nothing. Maybe some more nails and bullets, and who knows what else. But anyway, let's see here. But that's a pretty good piece. So this device is going to pay for itself after a while. Every little bit counts, right? So happy prospecting. I'm looking for the big one. All right. Have a great day and happy prospecting.